Ang nahanda naming mga petition for disqualifications, I think nasa hindi bababa ng mga 30. Actually, there are several others. Kaya lang yung constraint ng preparations ng all the documents, the requirements ng roles natin that we have to furnish copy first to the respondent prior to the filing. Dapat mayroon kaming proof of furnishing of proof of service to the respondent bago kami makapag-file. Yun ang maging mga constraints. Kaya ang makakaya namin, makakapag-file kami siguro bukas ng mga around 30 petitions to disqualify. These are the determination of the basis for the filing of the petition to disqualify based on the answers submitted by these respondents on the show cause orders that we have issued in the last 2 weeks.
By Monday, it will be referred to a division, and the division will immediately issue the summons requiring the respondent to file answer within a period of 3 days. With or without the answer, the case is deemed submitted for resolution. Wala nang hearing. Wala na yung mga marking of evidence. Masyado na pinapatagal lang ng iba eh. Nag-i-strategize lang na patagalin. Kaya kami may pinromulgate na bagong rules na nakalagay doon sa rules na yon, summary proceedings talaga. So pag sumagot sila, ang sagot nila, ang tawag doon, answer memorandum na. So yung task force, nasa sa kanila kung gusto nila mag-file ng tinatawag na reply memorandum, but just the same, after the filing of the answer memorandum, the case is deemed submitted for resolution unless gugustuhin ng division na ipakinggan dahil baka may mga issues na dapat talagang pakinggan. Pero kung kita mo naman doon sa sagot pa lang, sa submitted for resolution yan, and therefore, sa isang linggo, pwedeng makumpleto lahat yung proseso ng submission ng kahit ano at pwede na kami magdesisyon sa second week ng October. Kaya ang sabi ko sa inyo, almost sure ako na may desisyon ng COMELEC bago mag-October 30.